to the channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Splunk Core Certified User SPLK-1001. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now, the question is, by default, which role contains the minimum permissions required to have write access to Splunk alerts? Options are Option A, alerting, Option B, admin, Option C, power most voted, and Option D, user. The correct option is Option C. Next question is, which of the following is the appropriately formatted SPL search? Options are, these are the options, please go through. The correct option is Option B. Next question is, when using the top command in the following search, which of the following will be true about results? Index is equal to main, source type is equal to access underscore star, action is equal to purchase, top 3 status code by user, so perk is equal to F, count field is equal to status code count. Options are Option A, the percentage field will be displayed in the results. Option B, the top 3 most common values in status code will be displayed for each user. Option C, the search will fail. The proper top command format is top limit is equal to 3 instead of top 3. And option D, only the top 3 overall most common values in status code will be displayed. The correct option is option B. Next question is, Splunk apps are used for following. Choose 3 options. And the options are Option A, designed to cater numerous use cases and empower Splunk. Option B, we cannot install Splunk app. Option C, allows multiple workspaces for different use cases or user roles. Option D, it is a collection of different Splunk config files like data inputs, UI, and knowledge object. The correct option is option A, C, and D. Next question is, which of the following represents the Splunk recommended naming convention for dashboards? Options are Option A, description group object. Option B, group description object. Option C, group object description. And option D, object group description. The correct option is option C. Next question is, which of the following is the best way to create a report that shows the last 24 hours of events? These are the options, please go through. The correct option is option D. Next question is matching search terms are highlighted. Options are option A, yes, and option B, no. The correct option is option A. Next question is keywords are highlighted when you mouse over search results and you can click this search result to choose three options. And the options are option A, open a new search. Option B, exclude the item from search. Option C, none of the above. And option D, add the item to search. The correct option is option A. Next question is dash transforms raw data into events and distributes the results into an index. Options are option A, index, option B, search head, option C, indexer, and option D, forwarder. The correct option is option C. Next question is what does the values function of the stats command do? Options are option A, lists all values of a given field. Option B, lists unique values of a given field most voted. Option C, returns a count of unique values for a given field. And option D, returns the number of events that match the search. The correct option is option B. Next question is what must be done in order to use a lookup table in Splunk? Options are option A, the lookup must be configured to run automatically. Option B, the contents of the lookup file must be copied and pasted into the search bar. Option C, the lookup file must be uploaded to Splunk and a lookup definition must be created. And option D, the lookup file must be uploaded to the etc. or apps or lookup folder for automatic ingestion. The correct option is option C. Next question is when viewing the results of a search, what is an interesting field? Options are option A, a field that appears in any event. Option B, a field that appears in every event. Option C, a field that appears in the top 10 events. And option D, a field that appears in at least 20% of the events. The correct option is option D. Next question is the four types of lookups that Splunk provides out of the box are external, KV store, geospatial, and which of the following? Options are option A, correlated, option B, total, option C, segmented, and option D, file based. The correct option is option D.